Hi, hello, namaste. Myself Kishan Bhardwaj from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore, in 6th semester. Today we are going to study about the topic in the subject Advanced Java, and the topic goes like Introduction to String Constructors. So coming to strings in Java. Strings are the fundamental data structures in the programming. String constructor provides flexible ways to create initialize strings, allows developers to work with the text data efficiently. So coming to default string constructor. The default constructor is the simplest way to create a new string object. It initializes the string with an empty character sequence, allowing to build the contents of the string incrementally through methods like append or string concatenation. Simplicity, easy to use. Flexibility allows dynamic string building, and memory efficiency minimizes the initial memory usage. The default string constructor is the greatest choice when you need a blank state to work with, providing a foundation for more complex string operations down the line. Yeah, coming to the string constructor with a character array. Constructing a string. The string constructor that takes a character array allows you to create a new string object from an existing array of characters. Copy characters. The constructor copies the character from an array into the new string object, perceiving their order and content. Flexible initialization. This constructor provides a flexible way to initialize string from various characters based on the source, making it useful for a wide range of string related tasks. So coming to the string constructor with a substring. So substring selection. The string constructor with a substring allows you to create new string objects by extracting a portion of existing string. Flexibility in extraction. You can specify the string index and optional length to extract the desired substring from the original string. Memory flex efficiency. This constructor is memory efficient as it only creates a new string object for the extracted string without copying the entire original string. String constructor with a byte array. So byte array. Construct a string from a byte array. Second one, encoding. Specify the character encoding. And the third one is flexibility. Convert data from various sources. The string constructor that accepts a byte array allows you to create a string from a raw binary data. This is useful when working with data from files, network streams, or other sources that provide information in byte-based format. By specifying the character encoding, you can interpret the byte data and convert it to a human readable string. Yeah, coming to string constructor with a code pointer array. Construct from a Unicode creates a string from sequence of Unicode points and specific offsets. Define the start and length of the code point array, and flexible input. Works with a primitive int array or specialized int stream. So coming to string constructor that takes a code point array allows you to create a string directly from a sequence of Unicode points. This is useful when you have already represented a code point such as form processing text in the different encodings. You can specify the starting offsets and length of the code point array to control which portion is used to construct the string. The string constructor with a code point offset and count. Constructing from the code point, create a string from a subset of Unicode points specifying offsets. Choose the starting index of the code point sequence, defining count. Specify the number of code points to include. The string constructor that takes a code point offset and count allows you to create a string from a selective subset of Unicode points. This is useful when you have a larger collection of code points and you want to extract a specific range to form a new string interface. Coming to the string constructor with a string buffer and builder. Efficient string creation. The string constructor that takes place a string buffer or string builder allows you to create a new string from existing mutable character sequence. Perceiving state. This constructor is useful when you have to be building a string dynamically and you want to capture the current state of mutable sequence as an immutable string. Performing benefits. Using this constructor can provide performance benefits compared to creating a new string by concatenation, as it avoids the overhead of creating intermediate string objects. String constructor with a mutable character sequence. Flexibility. This constructor allows you to create a string from any mutable character sequence, providing greater flexibility in your string and handling. Efficiency. By using mutable character sequences, you can avoid unnecessary copy of underlying character data, improving performance. Interoperability. The ability to create a string from a mutable character sequence enables seamless integration with other string-based APIs and data structures. Coming to the conclusion, so now choosing the right string constructor. In summary, various string constructors offer a versatile set of tools for creating and manipulating strings in Java. Selecting the appropriate constructor depends on the specific needs of your application, such as the source of the string data and performance requirements and memory considerations. So these are the topics which we have discussed regarding to advanced Java in strings. So now we are going to end this presentation. This is Kishan Bharadwaj signing off.